Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to be looking at tools that I believe to be good deals when they're on sale, tools that I believe even at their full price, I think they're good deals, and tools I find interesting, and if you guys have used them, I would like your guys' opinion on. So first up, we're going to be going into a couple items that I actually mentioned in last week's video, but it was a 1/4 inch drive set, and that being universal sockets. So we looked at a couple different 1/4 inch sets, one from Capri, one from Astro Pneumatic. Both great sets, priced very well, especially if you're looking for a good universal chrome socket set. So this is the Tekton. This is the 17-piece set, and they do have it available in the 7-piece set and the 10-piece set. And also keep in mind, any Tekton tool or Capri tool that you buy, if you go to their website, Capri Tools, and you do the rewards, you get 5% in rewards, and then Tekton you get 10% in rewards. So you always need to compare the price on those websites to what you find them for on Amazon to see where you can get the better deal. But both sets really good. I have a smaller set of the Tekton 3/8 drive universal chrome sockets, and they are very nice, very well made, nice chrome job, a good variety. So this set here, the 17-piece set, you're getting 10 through 19 millimeter at $110. So you get $11 in rewards if you bought it from the Tekton website, if that's the price on the Tekton website. You also get the blow molded case, lifetime easy warranty, hassle-free warranty, and at $110 you're looking at roughly just over $6 per universal socket. And I can definitely say Tekton is, obviously, if you watch my channel, one of the brands that I recommend a lot of tools from, just because they make a lot of good products for good prices. Even in today's market where everything's going up, they still have some really good prices on most of their tools. So definitely something worth checking out if you're in the market for a universal socket set. And then also in this set, you're getting 3/8 through 3/4, so you're getting a good variety of both SAE and metric universal sockets. And then the other one we're looking at is Astro Pneumatics, 10-piece set. This is just metric, no SAE included, so just the 10. At $44, it's 10% off from $48. It's got 5 stars at 255 ratings. At $44, you're looking at just over $4 per socket, so a little bit less than the Tekton set, but this one does not include any SAE sockets. But I have the Astro Pneumatic 1/4 inch set. I don't have this specific set, but the 1/4 inch drive version of it, and I've had it for numerous years and been very impressed with it, and really enjoy it for doing any interior dash work or anything like that. So definitely a good set worth considering. Both of them are if you're in the market for a universal chrome socket set. And then the Tekton set has 4.5 stars at 88 ratings. I just wanted to mention that. It shows the list price at $144 down to $110. And then here's something I just wanted to mention because I had a few people comment saying that they were interested in a DVOM that they're not necessarily looking for professional brand like a Fluke or a Klein or anything like that, or the price like Milwaukee ones. They were looking for one under $50 and something that they could find reliable. Well, I did a bunch of research and looked into like the top 5 or 10 DVOMs that didn't consist of the top brands that usually run, $100. Now you can get a Fluke for around $50 and stuff like that, but it's going to be pretty basic. So if you want one that has a few more features, then you're going to have to go with one of these other brands, and Astro AI is one of the brands that is rated top for DVOMs under $50. So this one is normally $41 down to $37, and it does have a coupon for an extra $9 when you apply. So definitely a good deal there. It's got 4.5 stars at over 12,000 ratings, so rated very highly and rated a lot. But you have a lot of different features on this DVOM. Here you can just see everything. And here you can see it's Cat 2 at 1000 volts, Cat 3 at 600 volts. And then now this is going to primarily be for those that are weekend warriors, DIYers, or just getting into the professional field. You don't do a whole lot of electrical work yet. If you're doing advanced electrical or into hybrids and stuff, this is not something that you're going to want to use. You're going to want to go ahead and get something a little bit more expensive, something that's rated a little bit higher. But anybody that's a weekend warrior, DIYer, just getting into it, just kind of getting into electrical, not doing anything too advanced or too heavy duty, this is going to be a great deal. It's very affordable and a very highly recommended DVOM. So here you can see everything that it is capable of doing. Backlit display, voltage test, temperature test, hanging magnet. Okay. You can just kind of see some of the images or the features, the buttons, and all of that if you guys want to go ahead and pause it and take a look at that. And then with that, even if you wanted to upgrade your test leads and get some attachments for your test leads, this is a very nice set that's made by the same company. And even if you purchase that DVOM at $37 minus the $9, and then you can also get this, and you're still under $50. So a really good deal. This is down from just over $17 or just shy of $18 down to $13. Savings of 26%. It's got 4.5 stars at 2,600 ratings. And here you can just kind of see some of the attachments that you're getting: alligator clips, plunger mini hooks, some better quality test leads and extensions. So a nice little kit, especially for $13. And one thing you always want to check is the ratings of your test leads compared to the ratings of your DVOM, because some DVOMs have a higher rating than what their test leads are. So you can't technically safely use that DVOM with an underrated test lead. So you want to make sure that the test leads that you're using are capable of properly and safely operating at those levels. So Cat 3 1000 volts and Cat 4 600 volts. So just like we saw on that DVOM before. And rated current 10 amps. So a nice little test lead attachment additional set. If you wanted to purchase both, you'd still be under that $50 price range for a good quality DVOM for anybody that's just starting out, or a weekend warrior DIYer that doesn't do anything too advanced or working on hybrids or anything like that. And then here I wanted to add this. This is just something that I saw that I thought was kind of interesting. Is Schumacher Sierra Lima 197 uniform rechargeable magnetic mount work light. It's 15 super bright LEDs for $50. It's got 5 stars at 767 ratings. And it seems like a pretty cool little light. This is something that you can hang in your toolbox, possibly use under the hood of a car if you really wanted to. But here you got the power button, the charging port, 180 degrees of rotation, the magnetic base. There you can kind of see it above those wrenches. It's not like a huge light. It's got a 2200 milliamp hour battery, lithium ion battery, LED charge level indicator. There you can see it. Here you can see 15 surface mounted LEDs for 150 lumens, 100 lumens at low setting, 6500K color temperature, lightweight, toolbox light, that's what they consider it. I thought it was kind of a cool little light, something worth mentioning. I know a lot of people out there are interested in a lot of different variations of lights. So if you need a light for the top of your toolbox or anything like that, and if, in a pinch you needed to use it in an underhood work light or something like that, you could. You just got to be careful with those magnets. And then here, this is a Green Idea rechargeable underhood work light, 1600 lumens, 360 degrees of rotation, 4 different light modes, temperatures. Kind of has a pretty cool design. It's not your large hook underhood light that's going to hang or wrap around the hood or anything like that. It's got a little bit different design. It's $83, and then you can save an extra 5% when you apply the coupon. This has 4.5 stars at 147 ratings. We'll just go ahead and take a look. So 72 surface mounted LEDs, 7800 milliamp hour battery, so a pretty good size battery on it. It's got 1600 lumen brightness, 3 to 8 hour run time, and then it's got different color temperature modes, 6500 color temperature, and then here you can kind of change it, the color temperature and the brightness, and then it'll show you the battery life as well. So you got it going by quarters, 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and the brightness percentage and the color temperature. So I thought that was kind of a cool feature. The ends are rotatable in both directions. If I'm not mistaken, it's got magnets that are protected on the ends. It's also got built-in hooks. Yes, you have 360 degrees of rotation and then 180 degrees of rotation here. So definitely a very versatile light. Okay, it's also got USB charging ports on it as well. I was not aware of that, so you can use it as a power bank if you would like. Random, but okay. So just something I thought was pretty interesting. It was the first time I had seen this specific light design, and I thought it was kind of cool that you can change the color temperature, because some people's eyes are affected by certain color temperatures. So that I thought was a really cool feature. It's nice that it's got that built-in charging bank. The design of it, it's fairly compact. I do like how in this picture, this is not even the light that we're looking at. They're just putting they don't even have a light. Like, it's just, they got a window up here, got some light shining through. Here we got a campfire. Maybe they're using it in the tent. Probably not this light though. Just like how this one is obviously not that light, and same here. But still, I thought it was kind of a cool design, and thought it was definitely worth a mention. 4.5 stars at 147 ratings at $83. So you see a lot of Underhood work lights around the $100 price range, and they go up into the $300 price range, just depending on which one you're looking at. And it is available in different colors as well. So you have green and black, orange and black, red and black, yellow and black, and green. Let me know your guys' thoughts. That's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have used any of these items, please feel free to drop a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on them and how long you've had them. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will have all of these tools and many other tools linked down in the description underneath the tools and tools continued link. See you guys next time.